Hey, it's Dixie again. We got June's Akibento transported. Let's get it open and see what's inside. Oh, sharp. A good idea. Well, that's cool. Got a towel from Shield Hero, which is awesome. Won't be using it. Definitely put that up somewhere. Hang it up. And this month's shirt. From Shield Hero. It's really neat. I really like that. And then I got the button. If it'll focus. Maybe. Or not. Got an exclusive item. Got some coasters. Getting stuck. I do believe these are from Shield Hero. There's one. I think it's when he switches his shields out. I'm not sure. I didn't watch the other anime. I did watch Shield Hero, some of it. I could be wrong, possibly. Maybe. They're cool though. Definitely need those. We got another Akibento exclusive. Like a moving truck keychain. Thing's heavy. Turn on. And patch that's stuck. There we go. From Konosuba. It's cute. Didn't watch this anime. I'll have to check it out. And we got a Shield Hero manga. Cool. I really like that. Add to my collection. And then the insert of what we got. And then the selfie contest for this month. Wear your Akibento shirt and post it on Instagram or Twitter with the hashtag Akibento. The winner will get a plush. It'll be announced July 6th. And Got the patch. It's the Konosuba Aqua Patch. Got the Rise of the Shield Hero manga. Exclusive transported towel. Exclusive transported truck keychain. Summoning circle coasters. The monthly pin and the shirt. And thanks for watching.